This is the Leatt 120 liter duffel bag. This thing is huge, you can fit tons of stuff into it, but that's not the coolest thing about it. Let's get into this thing and show you exactly why you want this duffel bag. Starting out on the outside of this bag, this is 1300 denier, heavy duty waterproof material, and you're gonna notice vents throughout the bag to allow this thing to breathe. You do have two exterior pockets right here, this one running the height of the bag, and then this one right here up on the top. This is a great place for like a laptop or other electronic devices that you're gonna need to take to the track, because it's gonna sit up on top away from all the dangerous stuff. Now let's get into this bag. I'm gonna remove this strap just real quick. Let's open up this huge exterior pocket. Nice big opening, gonna make it really easy to get all of your stuff in and out of this thing. But you'll notice on this lid, you've got two interior pockets. Nice and deep, this one's vented so you can see exactly what's in there. But this right here is going to be this bag's claim to fame. This comes with a changing mat that you can set out on the ground, but then it also seconds as a bag for your dirty gear. Throw your boots in here, throw your muddy gear in here in case you don't want it all over the inside of your bag. Now, looking at this, I have thrown an entire gear set in this bag and there is still room to spare. Check this out. I've thrown in the boots, standing up, mind you. This bag is tall enough to fit these boots standing up. And you're gonna see these dividers right here. Now these dividers are removable as well as adjustable. You can put them into a couple different spots. But we'll keep going. I've put in the neck brace. You got your chest protector, knee guards, pant, jersey, and then the whole entire helmet bag. Tons of space in this thing, look at this. All sorts of room, super heavy duty. If you are looking for an awesome duffel bag to take to the track, carry everything you could possibly need, the Leatt is one you're gonna wanna check out. To get yours, jump on the link below or go to RockyMountainATVMC.com.